Put some in the hole just so it creates a good surface for the first round. I want to put it a little bit thicker than it was just so we can sand it down a lot to the perfect, so it flushes with the body. That's why I'm going a little thick. Which is not great one, but it works. I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes just so it dries, and then we'll come back with the sandpaper and sand it down. Alright people, so it's been like 15 minutes and the filler looks really hard right now. Looks good, so I'm just gonna be sanding it down a little bit, and then depending on how they both look, I might add more in like some spots that are pretty low, and then we'll go on from there. Sweet. I'm gonna put on my mask, dust mask, because this stuff will go everywhere. And then can't forget the glasses, obviously. Don't want to damage your eyes. I don't know if 80 good is enough, but I'll be trying it anyway. If it's not, we'll move down to 40. There's a body line right here, so I'm sanding the top more and the bottom more, just to try and keep that line in there. I'll try my best to keep it in line, but if not, I'll just keep trying, I guess, you know. I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you look closer, there's some spots that are pretty hollow. I don't mind those because we'll just fill those in after everything is sanded down nicely. We can just add another layer to kind of finish it off and sand it some more. But for now, I'm just gonna be trying to get that body shape back. To be honest with you guys, I think I put a lot, so I'm probably gonna be doing sanding for a while, like a lot of sanding, because I can still feel it, and this should be just one smooth pass. But yeah. So this is how the inside looks. Had to sand it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference much, but it's so much better than it was. Like, I'm super proud of this, to be honest. Like, for the first time doing rush repairs, I think this turned out pretty good. Yeah, I've never done this before, guys, and this just shows you guys that even if you can't do this stuff, it's possible, man. put in the work. Spectacular. Alright, so we're gonna mix up the second batch so we can fill up all the empty spots. Good guys, so I think it's done, to be honest, for today. Tomorrow I don't have time, I gotta head to work again, but I'll for sure get this done tomorrow, and then we'll address all the little spots like here. Those are nothing serious, so this was a big part. And then, but I think it should be done tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so pretty much the whole day to do this. We'll pick this up again tomorrow. Peace. I forgot, I gotta do a cool transition. What's good, you all? I think it's day 4 today, or day 3. No, it's day 4, and we are going to finish this up. Gonna sand it down, make sure it's all flush, all smooth, and then I'll fix all the little rust spots like here. Don't worry about that because it's plastic, and I'll just get a new bumper. Yeah, I got a new door, so this is coming soon. I don't need to worry about this. It's a used door, it's no rust, no nothing. Same color too, which is nice. But yeah, so let's get right into it and get this done because it's been stay for me. That's why it's dragged all the way to. I need a microphone, you know, that's what I need. But I only do this like 2 hours a day, that's why it's dragged all the way to day 4. Hopefully we get it done today. I only have to sand. This was the biggest spot, that's why I started here. All the others are pretty quick, you know, not much really. Once we're done this, it should be pretty good. It's just sanding. This is 80 grit. We're still doing 80 grit because 80 works fine, so let's get it. Whew. Yo, this is pretty hard, man. I like doing it, but like, it takes a lot of time to get it perfect. And it's not even perfect. I still have little holes and little missing parts. I think air just got in there. But it takes a lot of time to get it good, but in the end, it should be worth it, man. But I'm gonna keep working on it. Let's see how it gets. So if I spray alcohol like this, then it shows up, all the imperfections show up better. So there's a little hole here, there's a little, just some little holes that need some filling in, and then sand them down for the last finish. So it's not that much, just little bits of imperfection. But if I run my hand down like this with my eyes closed, everything seems pretty smooth. This bump feels pretty good. The line is pretty much in line with that door, so I think I'm good there. There's a little bit of metal showing here, so I might put a little bit more there too. So far it feels pretty smooth to me, just except for all these little dinks and dents. As of the hard work, this is pretty much done. I'm just gonna do all those little spots. Like we have a spot right here. Alright, so this looks pretty good. This is alright. This is alright. Not perfect, just alright. Now I'm gonna sand all the other little spots like up there and some in the back, just to get everything kind of better before I mix any more filler. And then once everything is kind of already sanded down, I'll mix some more filler, put a little bit here, fill in all the spots, a little bit there, and then in the back, and then we should be good for that. Maybe sand a little bit and we should be done with this tomorrow. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean it all up with some alcohol, and I'm gonna mix some filler, then we'll apply it all just lightly. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix all the filler in, then I'll put on all the spots, and then I'll show you guys after I put them on, just so I don't waste time film it, and it dries too quick. So all the little spots that I put a little bit of body filler, I didn't put any here because there's not really much space to even put body filler. I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna put some rust reformer. This is trim clad. It's really nice because it's paintable material, so it won't be the finished coat, because it will get painted at the body shop and they'll sand all this down anyway. But this is just to get everything looking uniform basically. Tape this for quick. Don't bully me. Rust reformer just sips into the metal and gets any rust that we didn't sand down, just clears it out and just keeps it nice, so nothing rusts more or deeper. This is the same stuff that I use in the wheel wells over there. Just I think 2 coats is good. One light one slightly heavy, not crazy heavy. gonna wait a couple minutes and then do another pass that's just slightly heavier than that one, but nothing crazy. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna do another coat. To be honest, I put too much body filler here. I didn't really need to put that much, but it kind of went everywhere. So now I have to just try and get it all the way back to the original paint and just leave very little. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. This has been a long process, but this is pretty much done. It all looks nice and smooth. I can't paint this yet because I need to do like a couple more higher grits. Maybe put a 400 grit and like just keep going higher until it's like good for paint. But yeah, I'm gonna clean everything up and then I'll show you guys how the whole thing, how all the spots that I painted and all the spots that I put fill on looks currently. So I think I covered all the rough spots that we have for now. But yeah, this turned out really nice. Sweet, let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so this is pretty much done, and I know the car doesn't look pretty good, but like this is just to take the rust away, so the bodywork that gets done on this, it'll be much easier because all the rust is gone, and they'll sand everything down. The whole car will be sanded down, and then they'll put the paint on, and then it'll go from. This is just what I did just to kind of get the rust to be out of here. But I'll show you before and after of each part before I show you. But like this is how it looked like before. So it was after. I still need to like paint this here just to put some just so it looks, you know, like everything. And right here we had some filler, and now it's all gone. In here looks pretty good. That looked like before. And this part I don't want to put any paint or whatever just because it needs to be sanded smoother than this, but so far it feels like one uniform thing. You guys know this was the worst part, so the way this turned out, I'm really proud of it. We had a little bit of rust here. Also looks really good because I painted it. Kind of sanded down the bumper a little bit because it's plastic. Doesn't really matter because I'm getting a new bumper anyway. A little bit of rust somewhere here, and we painted most of it and sanded it down, so that looks good too. Then last part right here was on the fender. Right here we had some rust, sanded it down and put a little bit of paint. It looks nice, so that's good. This doesn't really matter. That's it. That's about it, guys. Let me know what you guys thought, if this rust thing was worth it or not. I think it taught me something. This was my first time doing this, so I learned something obviously, and I can use it in future jobs and stuff. But let me know what you guys think. I might also like take all the wheels off and then paint all the wheel wells and everything, and put some rubber coating in there just so it's like protected and everything. But other than that, this turned out really nice, and yeah, I don't not love it, so it's good. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, have a good one, guys. Peace.